Now the second fight of the night here sa Bugbugan sa Abra. From K-Burst Boxing Stable, Edito Embrado. Professional debut niya ito. At sa kabila naman ay si Gian Villanueva ng King of Pound Gym ng Batangas.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next contest is presented to you by Solid Gold Promotions, promoter Mayor Glenn Eduardo Tayo Abra, in cooperation with Solid Gold Partners, headed by Congresswoman Jean Brenas. A birthday offering for Congressman Jean Brenas of Long District of Abra. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout scheduled for 4 rounds in the super featherweight division. Judges are Alpi Jomoso, Tony Comia, and Hugo. Your referee in charge of the action, Oliver Garcia. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out the blue corner, wearing black with red, weighing 128 pounds, with a professional record of 1 loss from King of Pound, fitness chair of Batangas City, ladies and gentlemen, Gian Villanueva. And he's supported across the ring, fighting out of the right corner, wearing blue with red thread and weighing 129 pounds, his professional debut from K-Burst Boxing Gym of Bacolod, Cavite, introducing Edito Embrado.
Villanueva versus Embrado. Here we go. First round of the fight. 130 pounds limit, super featherweight. Oh, there's a great right hand from Embrado. Smelling some blood. Agad-agad na nagpapakawala ng mga malalakas sa suntok. Itong si Edito Embrado. Alang Gian Villanueva trying to counter. Sinusubukan makapagsabayan, but referee Oliver Garcia said that's a slip. Mukhang natukuran si Villanueva doon. Body shot from Embrado. Sinusubukan bumawi ni Villanueva, pero ngayon ino-overwhelm siya nito ni Edito Embrado. Body shots from Embrado. And the corner of Gian Villanueva waves the towel, and that means Edito Embrado won by first round TKO. A quick work from the guy from K-Burst Boxing Stable. Edito Embrado with a first round TKO victory, and that's a successful professional debut from Edito Embrado, and that's a great sign of sportsmanship between Embrado and Gian Villanueva. We will wait for the ring announcer for the official time of the stoppage. Here we go for the official time of the stoppage. Let's hear it from the ring announcer, Jaime Villanueva.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Oliver Garcia stops the fight at 1 minute and 3 seconds of the very first round. We have prepared by